for our traditional July meeting. And thanks to my deputy for stepping in during the month of June, and it's nice to be back at a formal meeting. Welcome staff and members of the press. John, Mr. Payne, nice to see you to the public. Tom, I believe we'll meet your new man there, James, very shortly. Nice to see you, James, and welcome aboard. And Hannah, we've got Hannah as well. Hi, Hannah, part of the planning team. Nice to have you and welcome. Welcome to members of the public. And we're just hooking up online now, correct? We're online, cool. And just for your online viewers or for the online viewers, we've got a new seating plan you'll see there, so you can know exactly which councillor is talking at any one time. Is that correct, Shani? So a bit of modernisation as far as that the internet's concerned. So welcome to those viewers from all around the world. We'll get underway if that's okay, Councillor Kingi. If you don't mind giving us a blessing for the day, thanks. So. Thank you very much, Councillor Kingi. Okay, item number 1 is apologies, and we have from Councillor Truman this afternoon in accepting that apology. She's attending Pam Wilson, a local QSO community stalwart of Mangakino this afternoon, so we think about Pam and her whānau today. So Kirsty's gone out there with our best wishes, but certainly appreciate all her community work over the years. Could I have I'm happy to move. If someone's happy to second, Councillor Rankin, thank you. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried.